welcome to episode 4. This is just a quick little update on the radio player. I managed to find a little bit of time to have a quick look at it, so let's take a look at it now. Okay, pulled the chassis out and just had a quick pass over it. There's a couple of caps in there that probably need replacing, but all in all it doesn't look too bad. So just going to power it up and see what we get from it. Lights. Panel lights are okay. It's like the valves, heaters in all the valves are okay, I think. I'm not too sure about this one. Yep, it's okay as well. So all the valves are going to a degree anyway. Medium wave. Some very faint stations there. There is a little bit of life there. I think I'll bring the manual down and do some cursory checks on the voltages around it and make sure it looks okay in that respect. Just determine which capacitors need to be replaced and order those, and when they come in we'll sit down and change those ones out. Okay, well, that was relatively promising. Actually, just one other thing that I did notice, the power cables not looking too springtime fresh there, so I think we might throw another cable on it as well, because God knows what's under there. Okay then. Okay, so there we go, just a quick update for episode 4. As I mentioned, I've managed to locate a service manual for the receiver, so next week I will try and get downstairs and take a look at it again.